Access, which is access.sar.com, and then you're going to go to this hamburger menu up here and go to the brand, and you're looking for Design Vault. So you're going to click on Design Vault. It's going to log you in. This is where the templates are saved. So, welcome back to me. It's thinking. And let's go to templates. And then I'm going to search virtual background. So, or we can just, there. So, click on that. And then say we want to create a new template. Okay. And then you have all of these options. And so you're going to fix, you can click here and edit the text. So whichever one you want to use, click here and edit the text. Dawn Kramer. And then you click underneath and edit your title. You know, like, sorry, the video is a little bit small. You know, associate, or whatever your title is. And it's got Artie, Briggs, Freeman, Sotheby's. And then you can go through and save all of these. You know, update them all. You have to customize each of them. And then you can save them. So, file, save as, virtual background. Okay, virtual background for Dawn. Okay. And then you can download it. And you want to download it into a JPEG, because that's what you're going to be able to upload it, I believe. So download it. It's generating the file. It's thinking. Okay, may take some time. Okay, please feel free to keep working. Okay. So, once it downloads as a JPEG, let's just pretend like that's done. Okay, great. Then we're going to go over to Zoom. Get the Zoom app, and when you log into a meeting, next time you join into a meeting, I'm just going to create a fake meeting right now. You can go to, hold on. When you get into your meeting, or when you're logging in, you can go to video down here once you're logged in and choose virtual background. Okay, and then I have mine all saved in here already, but you'll click add an image, and then you're going to upload wherever you downloaded what you created in Design Vault. And when you upload it, so you click say this was it, and you close it, then it's going to appear here as one of your choices, and you just choose it. And then when you close it, there you are. It's pretty straightforward. Hope that helps.